get like this like crackling or popping sound on the back of it, and it doesn't kind of rattle me, but it does it more when I turn. So I'm trying to figure out what that is. It sounds like it's coming from the rear suspension, like the leaf springs. One thing I do know is, you know, I've gone through like everything in this Bronco over the years. The one thing I haven't done is the rear shackles, like the bushings in the rear shackle. So I'm gonna try to make this pop so you can hear it. So it's usually when I turn, you can really hear it. Watch. Yeah, I don't know if you can hear that. It doesn't sound like it's coming from the same spot. It sounds like it's coming from multiple spots. So, but it usually happens when I turn. And I don't think it's the diffs. It sounds like it's more like in the suspension, like a differential, like it was going to be getting messed up somehow. Get ready, I'm making a right-hand turn right here. Well, I should probably keep my turning indicator off so you can hear the clicking sound. Here we go, I'm going to make a turn right now. This is this. I didn't do that time. But, I'll try to get it maybe like on my GoPro camera. But what's funny is now that I actually have fixed my exhaust leak and I'm kind of making this thing quieter and quieter, I actually hear different sounds that I want to fix now. So, I did already order a bushing kit from Tom's Bronco, like a leaf spring bushing kit. Even though these leaf springs are pretty new, I mean they're probably a couple years old. I think they're deeper, you know where they are, but they're 3.5-inch lift leaf springs. But I'll grab my camera and I'll show you what I'm thinking, where it's coming from. I'm thinking it's the shackles, but I got the kit for the leaf springs and the shackles, so see how that goes. But if you're wondering, I'm taking my video from that tablet that I put in my car a couple videos ago. The Windows tablet that controls my EFI and GPS and stuff. So it's also cool for doing videos too. I can, you know, turn around and I can film the front of the car like what I'm driving. But all right, so I get my video camera out and take a look at this, and hopefully I can. It's just very annoying crackle, like crack pop, you know what I mean? No matter, but it seems like it's coming from different spots. So, alright guys, I'm gonna do a quick turn here. So it sounds like it comes more from the line to the left. Wow. Hear that? Hear that? Doing making crazy turns here, trying to make this thing pop through. Good turning radius for this thing though. Yeah, that's one thing awesome with the Broncos. Same turning radius. I don't know if you can hear that. You just hear that? Just crack and pops everywhere. And it really sounds like it's metal on metal contact. So I'm thinking maybe like the shackles are kind of like doing this side to side and like hitting metal or something, or I don't know. I guess we'll see. Alright guys. Anyway, I'll show you the shackles.
Hey guys, what's up? So I'm not sure if you can see that, but those are the original shackles. This is a 1966. So I've never done anything to them, so don't know if the popping sound's coming from there. It's just moving around like I'm getting metal on metal contact here. Where the hell is making the noise from? You know, it's no freaking clue. But yeah, I did order new bushings, so I'll show you when I get here, and I might even put like a GoPro camera down here so I can see what's maybe happening, you know, see if I can find a way to mount it. Yeah, closer inspection, you can kind of see, like I can kind of see maybe like some rubber coming out, maybe kind of getting pushed out. I just don't know if it's popping, you know, like it's hitting here, metal on metal contact there, or what. I mean, okay, I'm looking for rubbage, signs of rubbage. It seems to do more when I do left-hand turns. Okay, yeah, look at that. Boom, look at that right there. Right there. Yeah, I think that shackle is right on top of that right there. Take a look at that. Yeah, it seems like it's on the left-hand turn, so yeah, I think that might be it, maybe. Alright, cool, awesome. Alright, so that's going to be the end of this video. I already do actually I have the parts order, so once they come in I'll show you that stuff. And it's always a bitch taking the suspension apart, so I'm going to have to drop the tires, probably pull my cherry picker out to lift it back up. Alright guys, cool.